Okay, we have our class rep who invests 5,000 in a bank. Now, our class rep has 5,000 to invest the 5,000 into a bank, and then they say calculate the accumulated amount. So we're going to calculate the accumulated amount. So which one do we want? Do we want the present value or we want something in the future? Accumulated amount. We want to know how much is the class rep going to have in the what in the future. And then they say after 3 years, and it makes sense. The president will be going to university. The class rep. After 3 years, the class rep will be going to university. So she wants to use this money at university. So after 3 years, if the interest rate, you see now, we're going to the interest rate. The interest rate can be quoted in 2 ways. And then Tina, our job will be to find out which formula are we going to use. They're not going to give it to you, which is simple interest and compound interest at the same time. It's either going to use simple interest or you're going to use what? Compound interest. So they say interest rate is 3.75% per annum. This per annum is something that we spoke about. The interest is quoted a year. Are we together then? Now, what kind of a formula are you going to use? They will tell you at the end of the interest. Here they say, please go and use something that we call a simple interest. You see that? Yes. Now, with number A, how are we going to approach number A? We are going to check what is the formula that we are going to use.
A equals to B open bracket 1 plus I
Okay. So let's go and do this. We're going to say to them, we have originally, it's best if we put this thing something in a timeline so that we understand what's happening. So today we are going to invest. We are not going. We're not going to the past. We're present today. So how much do we invest today? We say we're investing how much?
5,000.
So this is the present amount. We are going to check this money after how many years? N.
3.
I'm collecting the data. And then what is going to be our interest, which is I? What is going to be our interest, which is I?
7.5.
We're going to get it by saying
divided by 100.
it's 3.75 divided by what? Which gives us 0.0375. Okay. Okay, so we get 0.0375. We have 0.0375. So we've collected our data. Now, what is the other job that you are going to be left with as a learner? To choose the correct formula. You say the correct formula because how do I know which I'm going to use this one that says A, which is going to be equal to P, 1 plus I, A. How do I know that? It's because of the way that says what? Are we together? Yes. Then what I'm going to have, we're going to have A, which is going to be equal to 5,000. Open bracket. 1 plus 0.0375.
Multiply 5.
Multiply by 3. Call. I cannot even check this thing here. How does it look like? So what do we have? We have 5,000. 1, 2, 3. Open bracket. We have 1 plus
0.0375.
multiplied by close bracket equals to so 5,562.5. So it's 5. 6.2. This is mine. It's in red. It should be in red. Yes, Mr. Matla. If we do it, what? How much are we going to be?
Yeah.
No. This one we'll do the monthly of those ones are going to be dealing with loans. This one here, it's us investing. So we're not investing money each and every month.
And as you would think every month, I give about the interest.
Yes.
No,
No, I get that you will see. As I said, within grade 10, we are not going to check how much are we getting each and every month, but we're going to be checking how much are we getting each and every year. Okay, let's go to number B. On number B, they say, instead of using the simple interest, what can we use? So it's exactly the same thing, except the formula that I'm going to be using mine is going to say A is equal to B.
I close bracket.
Okay, if we do this one, how is it going to look like? We have 5,000. 1 plus 0.037
5.
Okay, let's go and type this here. We have 5,000. Open bracket. 1 plus
0.075.
close bracket to the power,
3.
and we get 5583. And then you run off to 2 decimal places. It's 5583, comma 2 decimal place 86.
86. Yeah.
And then they'll give you 1, 2 for being able to do this. No, you don't get a mark for me. Do activity 1 and 2 now.
Now,
Yeah, you finish it in your classwork.